So, first let me explain about the hardware functionalities. Then I'm going to explain about the software functionality, internal application, what it is having. So it is having Android 14 operating system, Android operating system. The version of 14, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB memory is available in this. Having internal speakers also available. So there are some ports also available. They are available. USB ports, front two USB ports are available. The back side, another 3 USB ports are available. You can connect your pen drives, keyboard, mouse, this slot. And there is a Type-C port also. Here, if you want to have a connectivity between laptop and the panel, you can connect your laptop through the Type-C also. There is a HDMI port also available. HDMI input, 3 inputs are available. One HDMI output also available. If you want to connect your microphone, there is a 3.5 mm jack input available. Exactly this. And there is an audio out also. You can connect external speaker also. That is also possible. Okay. So these are the connectivities are available. And switch on the panels. You need to click on this power button. So it is going to take 30 to 40 seconds of time to complete the booting process. Once the booting is completed, so this is the home screen. On top of the home screen, these are the shortcuts. You are going to use these shortcuts frequently. So browser, whiteboard, YouTube, such kind of thing, Google Drive, OneDrive kind of things. And so these are the applications pre-installed in this. There is a Google Play Store also, certified by Google, EDLA certified enterprise device license agreement from the Google, certified by the Google. You can install any application, any Android application. There is no restriction. Okay? And so these icons, we call it as a master tools. Same tools are available here also. Okay. To adjust the volume and brightness, there is a menu on the menu. So here you can adjust the brightness level. So now I'm going to show you the features like whiteboard software, how to write, how to erase, and how to save the data, how to split the screen. You can keep the whiteboard and off screen. You're going to keep your presentations, gifts, any other data. And apart from that, you can also connect your laptop and parallelly you can write and you can show the content from your laptop. All these features I'm going to explain. So there's a whiteboard software. It's a Note software. Notepro is a whiteboard software. You need to click on this whiteboard software. So these are the whiteboard tools. Change the background color. How to go to menu. On the theme, there is a background. You need to change the background like this. Okay. You can keep customized backgrounds also. So with the VNR logo, with any other colors, you can keep it and you can insert it on the place button. Someone has imported such kind of background. Other way, you can import any customized background also. So any background, you can keep it over here. And there are some templates are available. So all these templates not be related to you. So you can keep the background like this. So you can take a pen option here. You can choose multiple pens. So the different pens, every pen will give different stroke. And you can choose multiple colors with a single pen. So I'm selecting black color at one edge. The other edge, I'm selecting the other color. So let's say I'm selecting, this one is to adjust the thickness of the pen. So I selected black color and the thickness I adjusted at this level. The other side, I selected orange color. Now I'm going to write. So with one color like this, you can write and you can tilt the pen and highlight with a different color. Write with one color and highlight with a different. So this pen is having two type of nibs. One is 2 mm thickness, one is 4 mm thickness. So this one is detecting the object. Object based is going to recognize the color. For 2 mm thickness, I selected this color. The other side, I selected the other color. These are the two type of pen. Okay. So like this, you can write. And let's say, for example, You've written some data over here. The data is filled up. After this also you want to continue writing after same page. Want to write within the, what you have to do is, so need to select the data, okay, and you can move the data to the left side. And further you want to continue again, continue again, right? There is a move option also. Click, the entire data will get moved. The other way of moving. Okay, if you want to see the entire data on the single screen, again you have to select the move, the two fingers, just click on the zoom out, the data you're going to get on the here. Otherwise, you want to add a new page, click on add. There is a new page is going to be added. Further also you can continue. Times larger mathematical theorems or coding part. In the same page you want to continue also, you can continue. You can add a new page also, right? And so these are the different type of pen. This one is AB. AB represents handwritten recognition. So whatever the content you're going to write, it get converted into text. That text can be in Indian languages like Hindi, Telugu, English also. So you need to ensure, let's say you want to convert English language, whatever handwriting, whatever you write on top of this has to convert into the text. It should be in English language, right? Then go to menu, on the setting. So there is a handwritten recognition language. From this language, select D. Okay. So now I'm going to write. Okay. Now I'm going to write like this. So the data will get converted into like this. Okay. So this is how you can convert the data. The moment you start writing from here, you're going to end at this level. One more level. The other way of conversion is, so let's say for example, I'm going to write. I've written some data over here. You want to convert this into text. You have to select the entire data, and there is a smart write. Click on the smart write. This is how you can convert the data also, right? The other way of conversion. Then there is a search option. Click on the search. It will redirect you to the Google also, and you can show the data within the Google page. And here you want to annotate within the Google page. Take a mark option. Just write. You have to go to Master Tools. Select the mark option. Then you can select the color and you can highlight over here. So what I have done, one way I've written some data here within the whiteboard. I was converted that data into text. The data has been searched in the Google and I was showing the data within the Google. The other way is, let's say I want to split the screen. I want to split the screen into two parts. Half screen I can keep the whiteboard. Half screen I can show the content from the browser also. So in that scenario, what you have to do? So here you need to swipe up. There is a option, split option available. This option you have to select and you can select split option. Split. Now I'm going to select whiteboard, browser and the whiteboard. So this is how you can hit the screen and parallelly you can write the data here. Understood? Split screen. So here you can open browser also, PPT also, PDF also. Okay, you can show the data here and parallelly you can explain and you can write within the whiteboard. So this can be adjusted like this also, and this can be adjusted like this also. Right? So this is how you can split the screen. And go to more, there is the other option, there is a search option. So click on the search, you can get the images and YouTube links from Whiteboard itself. Okay. So let's say you are explaining some topic, the topic related YouTube videos you want to show from the Google. You can just go to more. From here itself, you can take a search option. You can search for the data. Which topic should I search? Reference. One of you. YouTube videos. Huh? Machine learning. Then it is going to show you some references. So you can just click on it and insert the data on play. Not only YouTube video, you can insert your own videos also within the whiteboard. You can insert your PPT within the whiteboard. On top of the PPT also you can write, and you can also open your referral videos also, and real-time experience also you can give. So this is how you can insert the videos. So if you want insert any images also, same, let's say for example, I want to search for machine learning related images. Any topic, you have to give accurate keyword over here. Then it is going to show some related images related to that keyword. Okay. You can simply take the image, referral image. Okay. Just select it, drag and drop out. So this is how you can insert images from the browser. Understood? So how to write the content, how to get the data from the Google on top of the whiteboard, how to split the screen, how to insert YouTube videos within the whiteboard. Clear, right? Okay. And so these are the normal pens. Let's draw some geometry. You want to draw some circle, scale, and all. You can use the scale, and you can draw your lines also. It's going to show you the length and all. You can draw a circle using this option. You can adjust it, and to rotate it, it is to show the degrees and the length also. Okay. And you can also partition this screen also. You can split this screen into 3 parts, 4 parts also. There is a partition option. Click on it. It is going to ask you how many ways you want to partition. 2-way partition, 3-way partition, 4-way partition. Select that partition, and automatically the screen split into parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. You can use multiple colors, and you can explain about the any topic you want to explain in the phase by phase wise. You can use this option. So the first step, second step, third step, and multiple colors you can choose. Whenever you write here, it is take one color, and you cannot enter into other space also. You cannot enter into this space. Okay. So different steps you can explain with the different colors, and after that you can get the entire data on the single screen like this. This is how you can get the whiteboard also. There are some shapes available, circle, triangle, and all. You want to make your own shape also, take your own color and draw a circle. Automatically circle is going to automatically that shape is going to form like this. There are some 3-dimensional shapes also and all. You can take those options and can insert those tables. To insert some tables, and can select the matrix, 2x2 matrix, 3x3 matrix, select it and insert it, and within that can the data, and the cell also is going to be adjusted automatically. Okay. Even if you can cross the column also, the cell is going to be adjusted. If you want to insert another column, draw one line. Column is going to be inserted. Draw a row. The row is going to be. Want to delete it? have to select this option. Just click on minus option. Then you can delete the columns and rows here. And want to talk about flow charts. Want to explain about the flow charts. You can simply take this option. Then you're going to write the content within this. Under this, you want to add another entity. Under this, you want to add another entity. You can add like this. The flow chart can be like this also, like this also. Two ways. Okay. Either way you can choose, and you can write within that. Okay. There's a periodic tables. You can show the entire group of elements and main group of elements. Want to show the structure, select the structure and insert that structure. The structure is going to be. So there are some simulations, lab activities. I don't know whether it will be for you or not. Physics, chemistry related, math related activities are there. You can show these activities in a 3-dimension way. University level activities. Example, I don't know. These are subject related. Let's say, for example, this is a balance act, physics related. Just want to explain about balance act, how this is to work. So after keeping the different weights in the other direction, different levels, you're going to give the introduction. Going to take the students to the labs, virtual lab, and going to keep some weights over here. And now we have to see whether both are going to be balanced or not. To remove the pillars. So both 15 kgs applied at both the levels, but both are not balanced. So then what we have to do is we have to keep it in the same level. Then we have to see. Now the both are balanced. So this is how some 3-dimension simulations we have been incorporated in. So if you want to insert some other third party also, you can insert some simulations. You have to log in. You have to create your ID and password. There is a platform called PHET. There you can create your own simulation. There is a Bytello class platform. Bytello class is a content preparation software. As a teacher, you're going to get 1.5 GB cloud space. So within that space, you can create such kind of simulations and you can create your own content using mathematical tools, chemistry. You can design your own content and you can insert your data here. Every teacher, every lecturer is going to get 1.5 GB cloud space. You're going to create your ID with the help of email ID or OneDrive ID. Or else you can create your own ID also. The thing is, it is to ask your ID and password and country or region. The basic data you have to give. Then you have to create your ID password. Once created, post that. Once you log into that ID, you're going to see these options. Stations, Bytello operating system related. Can and there also you can create your presentation just like how you are preparing your PPT. A similar way you can create your presentation. The platform name is Bytello class. Uh, so let's say, for example, I created some 12 pages. You can see the 12 pages like this. Anytime you can go to other pages. Now to click on this page 5 by 12 and there is a delete option. If you click on the cross mark, you can delete the page also. And want to save the data to menu, click on export, image, PDF, SVG, IWB. These are the 4 formats it is accepted. Let's say I'm saving the data in PDF format. Click on OK. You can save the data in PDF format. The file name as demo and click on OK. The entire file is going to be saved in PDF format. Right? Now, so let's say you have finished your class at 11 pages. Want to continue the class next year from 12th page onward. But the PDF, whatever the data you have saved, you cannot edit that data. So you want to edit the data and you want to continue the session, then to save the data in IWB format. IWB format, interactive whiteboard. So next day you want to continue from the same class from 12th page onwards. You have to select this IWB option. You can save in both the formats also. If whenever you want to share the data to the with the students, you need to save the data in PDF format. Whenever you want to continue the class, IWB, then you need to rename to that file. Click on OK. And both the file formats also you can save. Now I finished my class. I'm closing this whiteboard option. Then next day, whenever you walk into the classroom, again you're going to open whiteboard note software. There, go to menu on import on IWB. So this is the file. Okay. So whatever the pages we have created, those are all pages are going to be. Then in that you can erase and write. To import PDF now, PDF cannot be erased and you cannot edit that file. I'll show you the same now. So I'm going to open the PDF again. Import PDF, the same file I'm going to open. I'm just showing the difference. Whenever you save the IWB, what is the difference? If you import a PDF, what is the difference? Okay, so this, I want to edit this. So you cannot erase. Okay, and you want to write on top of this, you can write. But it is going to be overwritten. But existing data you want to erase and it is not possible. If it is IWB, erasing is possible and you can rewrite the code. So that is the difference. Right? You understood it? So we can save it in both the formats. For students, share the PDF and image format. For lecturers, keep IWB format. The same file, we can open it in the other classroom software. Okay? How are you going to open the same file in other class? How to carry the data? Share. Okay? How to carry the data? Google Drive, OneDrive, or pen drive. Right? So you can insert a pen drive, copy the data, get the data in another class, or else you can save the data, upload the data in the cloud storage also. Okay? Click on the cloud storage. Then it is going to ask which storage, Google Drive or OneDrive. You have to give your login ID and password automatically. The files are going to be uploaded in the Google Drive or OneDrive. You can move to the next class and from the cloud, you need to click on here. And you have to give your ID password. Then you can download the data from here. You have to select this login ID password. It is going to ask. Once you give your login ID and password, automatically the data will get uploaded in the Google Drive. So you need to click on this to open any file from Drive or OneDrive. You need to click on this cloud option. Click on the cloud. So here, the Google Drive, select the Google Drive. The OneDrive, select the OneDrive. The Bytello, select the Bytello. Okay. You need to click on the continue with the Google. Give your login credentials. There, all your files are going to be visible. From there, you can insert your PPT, PDF files, the whiteboard. Okay. The other way of saving the data is going to generate one QR code. On the share, generate one QR code. You want to share the content in PNG format or PDF format, you need to select that option. So let's say I'm just selecting the PDF format. I'm going to generate one QR code. Okay. To prepare, to generate the QR code, internet is mandatory. Then only QR code is going to be generated. This QR code is not going to be permanent. Every time QR code is going to be different. It is going to be refreshed. To scan the QR code, any third-party QR code is fine. Any third-party QR code. You can scan from your mobile. And anyone can scan this QR code. Any third-party QR code, QR code is fine. Just scanning. అది ఏంటంటే ఒక లింక్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. అదర్వైజ్ ఇందులో నుంచి అయితే మనం డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో అయినా షేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. వేరే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆండ్రాయిడ్ మొబైల్ ఉంటాయి కదా, వాళ్ళు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి దే కెన్ షేర్ ఇట్ టుగెదర్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ వీ కెన్ సేవ్ ద కంటెంట్ ఇన్ సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ. రైట్, లెట్స్ సే యూ వాంట్ టు రికార్డ్ యువర్ సెషన్. వాట్ ఎవర్ your lecturer is there, whatever your class is there, the entire session you want to record with your voice. This panel is having internal microphone. It will record your voice, and parallel whatever you explain on top of the screen, the entire data will get recorded in video format. That also can be shared to it will be shareable to the student. I'll show you the process. For recording option, go to Master Tools, click on More option. Okay, click on More option. There is a record option available. Click on Record. You click on this record option. Now it is going to be, the session is going to be recorded. Whatever the data you're going to explain over here, the entire data is going to be recorded. Okay. So I'm just going to home. Everything, whatever the activity you do here, the entire activity is going to be recorded. Just clicking on stop button. This is the file. Now, after this, you want to access your laptop here. Now you cannot access, right? Now what you have to do is, there is a touch cable. You connect the touch cable, then your laptop is going to access out. So with HDMI cable, you can simply mirror the data. Want to have a touch access, you need to connect this USB cable. So one way, USB cable is going to be inserted in your laptop. The other way, there is a Type B USB port to insert over here. So then you're going to have a touch access over. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, you want to explain, want to write in the whiteboard, and parallelly you want to show some coding in your laptop. In that scenario, what you have to do, just go to home screen. On home screen, open whiteboard software like this. There is an option called picture in picture, PIP, picture in picture. Where is that PIP? Click on more. There is a PIP option, picture in picture. Here, your laptop is, you have to select the HDMI source. To select the HDMI. Okay. Now you can show the data, your laptop also, and parallelly to then the content. So here it is, your laptop and your whiteboard. You can show the coding over there, and you can explain over here. Want to maximize the screen size, there is a size option, large, bigger. Want to keep it in a smaller mode, just resize it. That means HDMI source, laptop or desktop, and the Android source, both can be accessible on the single. This is wired connectivity, right? Understood? Now I'm going to show you wireless connectivity. How to mirror your laptop, I'll show you. Just moving all the connectivity. The platform name is Bytello Share. Okay, you click on this Bytello Share. This application needs to be downloaded in your laptop and mobile. The application name Bytello. Okay. First, you need to download the application. Second thing, both panel and mobile should be in the same Wi-Fi network. Now I'm going to connect the same Wi-Fi network. I'm opening an app. My laptop is connected. Just click on share. Click on mirror. It is going to ask the permission. Want to allow laptop for mirroring to the panel. On accept. So this is how it is going to be made. Now what you can do is, there is the arrow mark here. Arrow mark. There is a minimize option. The laptop will go to floating window. Like this also you can explain. There you can show the content and parallelly write the content in whiteboard. Wireless connectivity. Wireless connectivity, at a time 9 devices you can be combination of laptop, mobile, tab or Mac. Any of this combination, 9 devices can be put to the panel. I'm going to connect my mobile now. Same process, Bytello app I'm just. Anyone wants to try this? Just, which one is yours? Android? Android? Okay. So just search for Bytello share application, Android. Same, it should be in the same network. Then it is going to generate one hotspot. So you can connect to this network. Android AP 756 and the password is 12345667. 12345667. Have you opened the application? Now in input connection code, how to go to Bytello share. CLX L6KQX. L6KQX. Someone is already connected. Now click on start. These are the two devices are connected. Click on start. Click on start. Give the permissions. అది అడుగుతుంది యాప్ ఓన్లీ అప్లికేషన్ మిర్రర్ చేయాలా లేదంటే ఎంటైర్ స్క్రీన్ చేయాలా? యా. సో ఇన్పుట్ కనెక్షన్ కోడ్ CL6KQX. KQX. యా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే పర్మిషన్ మోడ్ కావాలన్నప్పుడు సెట్టింగ్స్కి వెళ్ళొచ్చు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద టూ డివైజెస్. ఓకే. సో అలాంగ్ విత్ దట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు మిర్రర్ మై ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆల్సో. So this is my laptop. These are the two mobile phones. And so this is how you can mirror 9 devices at a time. 9, any combination of Mac, iOS, Windows based, Android based, you can mirror. The entire screen is going to split into 9 different parts. You can show the content from the 9 different sources. Let's say the students sometimes వాళ్ళు ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. వాళ్ళ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఒక్కొక్కరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఒకరితో ఒకరు కంపారిజన్ చేయాలి. ఆ సినారియోలో ఆ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ను వైర్లెస్ కనెక్టివిటీ మల్టిపుల్ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ మిర్రర్ చేయించుకొని వాళ్ళ కోడింగ్ కంపారిజన్గా ప్రాజెక్ట్ కంపారిజన్గా. ఓకే. సో దట్ వే యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే రివర్స్ కాస్టింగ్ కూడా అవుతుంది. ఓకే. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ యూర్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ ఆన్ టాప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఇట్ విల్ బి మిర్రర్ టు యువర్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్. ఆ మొబైల్లో వచ్చేసి మిర్రరింగ్ అనే ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. డెస్క్టాప్ సింక్ అనే ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. ఇందులోనే ఇక్కడ అడుగుతుంది చూడండి పర్మిషన్. నేను యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తేనే వీళ్ళందరూ అలో చేశారు. అదర్వైజ్ దే గోయింగ్ టు స్పాయిల్ ద క్లాస్. right? There is a desktop sync యాప్లో. డెస్క్టాప్ సింక్ క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు ప్యానెల్‌లో ఏదైతే ఉందో రివర్స్ మిర్రరింగ్ వాళ్ళ మొబైల్‌లోకి వెళ్తుంది. అండి? డెస్క్టాప్ సింక్. ఓకే. నౌ ఐ యామ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ సమ్. సో దానికి కూడా పర్మిషన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి నేను. పర్మిషన్స్ ఇస్తేనే మీకు వస్తుందండి? సో ఒకసారి చూపించండి. లైవ్ కాస్ట్. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తున్నానో వాళ్ళ మొబైల్‌లో రివర్స్ వస్తుంది. సో లైక్ దట్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ 9 డివైసెస్ అయితే రివర్స్ కాస్టింగ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే. సో right now 9 devices can be reverse casted, 9 devices can be mirrored over here. Maximum 9. 9. Not entire the class. Entire class also possible, but through some different hardware. Possibility ఉంది. But in దీంతోనైతే as of now only 9 devices. సో దీన్ని కూడా మనం ఒక 32 devices వరకు without any hardware also. Clear? Okay. So let's say for example, I want to show you some features of Bytello. Madam అడిగారు ఇందాక సెట్టింగ్స్ ఎలా చేయాలని చెప్పేసి. అప్లికేషన్కి వెళ్ళండి. Bytello షేర్ యాప్. సెట్టింగ్స్ మెనూలో సెట్టింగ్స్లో ఇక్కడ పర్మిషన్ మోడ్ ఉంటుంది. పర్మిషన్ మోడ్ని డిసేబుల్ ఉంటుంది, అది ఎనేబుల్ చేయాలి. ఎనేబుల్ చేస్తేనే అప్పుడు మీరు మిర్రరింగ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ అడుగుతుంది. మీరు యాక్సెప్ట్ అంటేనే వాళ్ళు మిర్రర్ చేయగలుగుతారు, లేదంటే మిర్రర్ చేయలేదు. ఓకేనా? సో బై డిఫాల్ట్ అన్ని క్లాసుల్లో పర్మిషన్ మోడ్ ఎనేబుల్ చేసే చేద్దాం. ఓకే. సో అక్కడ ఇంకా వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డివైజెస్ కూడా ఉంటాయి మీకు. ఈ కోడ్ కూడా రిఫ్రెష్ చేయడానికి ఉంటుంది. ఎవ్రీ 10 minutesకి ఫ్రెష్ కోడ్ జనరేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. సో ఫ్లోటింగ్ విండో సైజ్ ఇక్కడ క్లోజ్ చేశారు. ఇక్కడ నార్మలైజ్ సైజ్ అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా అది ఇక్కడ విజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. దాన్ని డిజేబుల్ చేసి పెట్టేసుకోండి. ఇంకా వాళ్ళకి కోడ్ కనిపించదు. ఎప్పుడైతే మిర్రరింగ్ చేయాలో ఆ టైంలోనే జస్ట్ యాప్ ఓపెన్ ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది. అప్పుడు మిర్రర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సెకండ్ థింగ్, మిర్రర్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇందులో నుంచి ఫైల్స్ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కెన్ ఆల్సో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ద ఫైల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్యానల్ టు మొబైల్. అది ఎలా చేయాలి? 4 డివైజెస్ కనెక్ట్ అయింది. 4 డివైజెస్కి. సో ఈ 4 డివైజెస్ని లెట్స్ సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎంఎస్ఎల్ ఎవరిదండి? ఇది కదా. సో నేనేం చేస్తానంటే మీ మొబైల్కి ఒక ఫైల్ పంపిస్తాను. ఇక్కడ ఫైల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్, ఈ ఫైల్ ఫోల్డర్ చూపిస్తుంది కదా. మొబైల్కి నేను ఫైల్ పంపించాలంటే ఐ నీడ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ దిస్ ఆప్షన్. ఇక్కడ నుండి లెట్స్ సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ఫైల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు push it to her mobile. I'm just selecting that video, clicking on OK. వస్తుంది అక్కడ ఫైల్ అక్కడ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది చూడండి. అక్కడ ఓకే కొట్టగానే ఫైల్ డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ యూ కెన్ డౌన్లోడ్ దట్ ఫైల్, యూ కెన్ సేవ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద ఫైల్. లైక్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ యువర్ PPT files, PDF files, video files directly from this device to mobiles or any other platform. Even to laptop also you can transfer. ల్యాప్టాప్ నుంచి కూడా మొబైల్ నుంచి కూడా ఫైల్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఎవరన్నా ఫైల్, ఒక PDF ఫైల్ ఎవరన్నా పుష్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేసేసి ఫైల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఫైల్ ఏదన్నా మీకు నచ్చిన ఫైల్ ఏదైనా PDF ఫైల్ ఏదైనా పుష్ ఎనీవన్. యూ కెన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఆడియో ఫైల్, వీడియో files. So this is the PDF file madam was sent just now. You can simply push the data here and you can annotate on top of it. Annotate, you have to select the mark option. annotate here. Okay. This is how you can the data also. Let's say you want to take a photograph of any topic from the textbook. You can push the same content to the whiteboard. అందులో మీకు కెమెరా ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. కెమెరా ఆప్షన్. The camera option which is available the Bytello share. That option you have to select. Click on red color button. So, okay, now the live view is going to come on top of it. Now let's say, for example, you want to show some image or any text data from textbook. So what you are going to do is going to scan this data. Okay. Now you can explain about this on top of the whiteboard. Now what I'm going to do, you can take a crop option. Take a crop option. And the image is going to be inserted in the whiteboard. This you can rotate. Out and on top of it, you understood? Quiz you want to conduct. Quiz in conducting అంటే ఎలా మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ రేస్ చేస్తారా లేకపోతే opinion and poll collection? So where they can raise the answer in the mobile phones. That's what you are expecting? Yes, possible. So what you have to do is need to go to air class. Air class. More low air class an option. You need to select this option. So air class. Air class is a platform where you can generate in a quiz competition కానీ ఏదైనా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలంటే వాళ్ళ మొబైల్ నుంచి దే కెన్ రైజ్ అన్ ఆన్సర్. ఫస్ట్ దానికి ఏం చేయాలి, వాళ్ళు క్యూఆర్ఎల్కి వెళ్ళి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఈ పాస్కోడ్ ఎంటర్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళ మొబైల్లో ఐఎఫ్పి class.ifpshare.com ఉంది కదా, ఆ యూఆర్ఎల్కి వెళ్ళేసి ఈ పాస్కోడ్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు అందులోకి నెట్వర్క్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతారు. లేదు అంటే క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ని స్కాన్ చేసుకుని మీరు కెన్ యూ స్కాన్ దిస్ క్యూఆర్ కోడ్? ఈ క్యూఆర్ కోడ్ని స్కాన్ చేసి లింక్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. ఎయిర్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, అందులో మీ నేమ్ ఎంటర్ చేయండి. జస్ట్ ఎంటర్ యువర్ నేమ్, క్లిక్ ఆన్ సబ్మిట్. ఓకే, 2 people have joined. అందరు జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. ఓకే, సో ఎంతమంది జాయిన్ అయ్యారు అనేది ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది. 5 people have joined as of now. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm entering into the classroom. Now I'm going to generate a question. Now the question is 2 + 2 equal to how much? The question. Option A is 4, option B is 5, option C, option D 7. This is the question. Now you have to raise an answer, right? I'm going to generate ABCD option. Click on ABCD. You need to select single choice or multiple choice. It is a single choice answer only. Now I'm just clicking on begin. 5 person, whoever is logging, you can raise their answer. Okay, so 2 + 2. So these are the options. So someone is already answered. Their name can be visible over here. Okay, so total 6 people have answered. I'm just clicking on finish. So everyone is selected like this. Now the option A is correct. So when I select A, it is going to be highlighted in green color. Rest all the options are going to be highlighted in a red color. Then after that, you can simply explain why it is correct, and you can explain over here. Open PDF over here, PDF, PPT, open it and start this air class. No need to write here. Okay. Any doubts till now? Course. So ఇక్కడ ఏదో option ఉంది. On it. So let's say, for example, I'm selecting the download option. Click on OK. Let's say whether it has been downloaded or not. Put success is exported in Excel format. Go to download. So this is the file. Okay. So we need to download WPS Office to open this. Okay. So WPS is not installed. You can install WPS Office. File will get open. Excel sheet in the form of Excel, it will get open. Clear? Any doubts? Passwords? So related to which password you're talking about? Yes. That is password. They can see that password. Google Drive, OneDrive, you're going to enter your ID. You have to enter your ID password also. The moment you enter it, they can see that password. For that, I don't have any other option. Keyboard mouse, you can keep it, and through the keyboard, you can simply enter it. Then it will not be visible. Rather, typing in the screen, you can connect to keyboard, and the keyboard you can type. That is a good option. Yes, ma'am. Any other doubts? Program. Do you want to execute some? Sir, this one is an Android platform. So this one is Android platform. So this one is Android platform, sir. So sometimes the codings are related to Windows-based platform. There is no PC connected over here internally. You have to connect your laptop or desktop external device, then you can execute that program. Java, C, whatever the Python. PC is not there internally. Inbuilt PC you are expecting? Okay.
So it supports a Play Store. You can able to find some kind of an application. You can install and any kind of a programming application if it is there. Can comfortably we can download. I think it is an Android 14. It will support.
You want to see?
I mean, like we need to search.
You want to download app? Play Store.
this each and every panel, actually we are planning for a credential also. Panel will get Google credential domain ID. So once we deploy that, we can make use of it.
So there is an option here. You can log in here to show you the login option. So click on the login. So here, this Bytello platform, you can create your own profile. Like Bytello share how you Bytello class, how you're going to prepare your profile. Within that, OS is one more platform. Just create your profile. That profile is going to be linked to your Google Drive and OneDrive.
Can you share your?
Yeah. So let's say I'm going to scan. I already created that profile, Bytello OS profile. I'm just scanning the QR code. I have to log in, right? I have to give login credentials from my mobile only. I'm just scanning this QR code, then open in the browser. It will redirect you to the Bytello share platform. So here you have to give your ID. Let's say I created with the Google password. I have to give authentication. Want to continue? Give all permission. Then my data is going to be logged in over Google Drive files, whatever OneDrive files, whatever the access you, all the files are going to be accessible. For example, you on this cloud drive, these are my cloud drive files. So from here, just double click on it and the data will get opened. It's going to be inserted and so this is how you can insert the data. So after completion of the class, just go on log out, then to come out from the data. Your data is going to be protected. You can also save the data in the folders also, and also you can upload the data in the folder, Google Drive, OneDrive also.
With this Bytello in our desktop.
Yeah.
At home, we can prepare all the slides.
Just
we can keep it. Next day,
Bytello class is a platform. Just open your laptop, your home or wherever you want. Open your laptop, open your browser, Google browser, search for a Bytello class. Open the first link and create your ID password. That's it. Once you create ID password, there it is going to ask what are all the things you want to integrate with the Bytello platform. There you have to give the approvals by Google Drive, OneDrive, and you want to upload any files, PDF files in that, just upload it on that. And automatically there is a sync option. That's it. The moment you walk in, only one ID, you for Bytello OS also, Bytello class also. Once you created your ID password in the Bytello platform, right, you can simply log in here. OS will be activated, Bytello class will be activated, every activated. So one time process, you have to create ID password. Yes, sir. Not possible, sir. Delete means permanent delete. So one possibility is, let's say for example, while using the panel, while using the board. So let's say you have created some 30 pages the whiteboard. Suddenly power lost. The hard work was there, your efforts was there. This you have created. The moment it asks, see, load the last unsaved file. You click yes, whatever the data is there, will come back. Press no, data is going to be lost. And in the files, let's say within the folder you have deleted the data. That cannot get back the data. But whiteboard only one time. But this thing is, let's say for example, I'm a computer faculty. Next chemistry faculty, power has gone, left this. Next faculty have come, going to start this whiteboard. He's going to ask unsaved files. The moment he click no, the data is going to be. need to ensure you have to speak to your other faculty. If the faculty is handling the, need to speak to the other person. You have to coordinate with them.